Well, good afternoon, magandang hapon. Well, it really isn't too maganda around here. When I mean maganda, I mean beautiful, because magandang hapon means literally beautiful afternoon. And it's been pretty crappy around here today, weather-wise, windy, and you can see I am soaking wet right now. So I took a walk in the neighborhood and I got caught in the neighborhood without my umbrella. I didn't do the Boy Scout thing. Well, anyway, today is going to be a real quick episode, and I want to tell you what turns a not so maganda afternoon into a really great afternoon. So stick around, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Well, I'm going to show you something that will brighten up anybody's afternoon, no matter whether they're in the middle of a snowstorm, you're not going to find that around here, or a rainstorm, or a typhoon, or maybe even an earthquake. What we're going to do, oh my goodness, look at all the dragon fruit here. And today's going to be a dragon fruit recipe. And let's go ahead and grab this one. This one looks ready to go right now. Let's go ahead and bring this dragon fruit inside the house, and I'm going to show you something that is so simple. And I'm not sure if you ever had an opportunity to have what we're getting ready to have it here in just a moment. And it's the simplest, I'm going to tell you, it is the simplest recipe that yields the most satisfying results. But anyway, let's go back inside the house and I'll tell you what I'm talking about. All right, well, here we are in the kitchen, and we're going to show you what we discovered. This is like the best dessert, the best snack. It's just the best everything. I got to tell you, and
they really complement
and
each
it's
other.
It's so simple. It's the dragon fruit, you know, and we have lots of dragon fruit inside our freezer, especially down in the basement. I think I have about 12 of these cut up inside the basement, and that's the best. It's the best to do it when it's a little bit frozen, but it's really good also fresh like this, because it blends in real quickly with what we're going to add here in just a minute. And this will take any non-maganda afternoon and make it into a maganda afternoon, a beautiful, a wonderful afternoon, right?
Yeah.
Am I right? All right. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this up. And I showed you before how to cut up a dragon fruit, but we're gonna show you again right here. And again, the preparation for this really is about 2 minutes. It's a matter of cutting this up, put it in the bowl, and adding that special ingredient. Okay, let's get started. Okay, for those of you who have not seen me cut the dragon fruit before, it's really simple. This is where the blossom comes out right here, and this is where it attaches it to the cactus of the dragon fruit plant itself. So over here, where the blossom would come out, there'll be usually like a little black hole right here. We're just going to cut straight down in that area right there, and it's going to reveal inside and where the blossom was, and maybe an ant like is in here. We're going to get rid of that ant. The ants like the blossom area right here. So what I normally do is I just pop this section out. Then we're going to go to the opposite end where it connects to the cactus or the dragon fruit plant itself, and do the same thing on that side. And you can see we wasted just a little bit right there. We're not going to waste that. I'm going to eat that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right in half. I'm going to separate this into 2 pieces. We have 2 pieces right here like this. Ness, can you get a couple of bowls? Okay, so my wonderful assistant over here, she's my Tonto to the Lone Ranger. You can't be Tonto, maybe you're more like Kato to what's the Kato? What's the?
I don't know.
No, you got it's got Batman and Robin, the Lone Ranger, and Tonto, and
I can be Robin.
And the green. What's the guy with the little mat? The Green Hornet, and Kato. They would say Kato in Japan, right?
I don't
Kato. But we said, since we changed everybody's names around the world, we called it the Green Hornet and Kato. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's okay. So anyway, we're just going to peel this off right here, and And I made a mistake. I got one a little bit bigger than the other.
Look at that.
And then
That's cool.
Here's the
Mine is a smaller one.
Okay,
so
I'll share.
that's fine.
I'll share some of mine with you.
Well, you can get that.
You also. Oh, this stuff right. You can eat this. Okay. Now this is the basic. This is what makes everything so special until you add this next simple thing that makes it everything even more special. Stand by. And now for the secret ingredient.
You already have in your hand.
And here's the secret ingredient. It's super thick vanilla ice cream. It could be any
ice cream.
It could be any vanilla ice cream, but the creamiest ice cream the better. And all we're going to do is we're going to make this into dragon fruit a la mode is what we're doing. Dragon fruit a la mode. So let's go ahead and put some ice cream inside of here. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I already know what this tastes like, and I got to tell you, it has become my favorite dessert. So
While watching Netflix.
So there we go. We have some ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and dragon fruit. Here we go. Not only is it good now, it gets better as the vanilla ice cream starts to melt and it starts going around the bottom. And it's already starting to melt a little bit right now.
It's really interesting how they match.
When it mixes together and it gets inside there and it all becomes one. Once the dragon fruit becomes one with the vanilla. I like that. I think that's a marketing scheme. By the way, I don't think anybody has come up with dragon fruit vanilla ice cream. Oh, I just gave somebody a secret. Right there, there it is. This is a $1 million idea right here. You heard it here first. Anyway. All right, that's it for today's episode. Very short one, but I had to share this with you. And we've been doing this a lot lately because we've been getting a lot of dragon fruit here lately. A lot.
No.
And what better way to eat dragon fruit than this way right here? I don't think there's much of a better way to do it, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for watching today's ever so short episode. We hope you enjoyed it. I just can't stop.
Yeah.
And if you did enjoy today's episode, please give us a thumbs up. Please share. And if you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed. And if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time we upload a new video. So from right here at Villa Feliz in the Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.